Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Android phone to your ONN 4K streaming device so you can screen mirror. Now, this should be really easy. All you have to do is go to the top here on your device, and you just want to make sure you're under the same Wi-Fi network. So just go to Wi-Fi and make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi and you're connected to the internet, and do the same thing on your phone. So on your phone here, you can just go down from the top right and go to Wi-Fi and make sure you're on the same internet. So once you are on the same internet, you can go over to the right. And on Samsung, you might be looking for Smart View down here, but look for a Screencast or Screen Mirror button. So on my Motorola, it says Screencast. I can just tap this. And here's my ONN 4K streaming box. I can just tap this and go to Start Now. And it should be playing my phone on my TV here soon. Let me try again. So it says it's connected, and now it is in the background. So I should be able to focus, and then any point I want to disconnect, I can just tap it on the screen. But yeah, you can screen mirror your phone over to your TV really easy. Now, if you're trying to do this with like an iPhone or something like that, you need to have an AirPlay receiver. So just type in AirPlay in here and get one of these AirPlay receivers. And if your Android phone isn't working, there might be some sort of Screencast or Screen Mirror app you can go ahead and just look for. Type in Screen Mirror, and then you should be able to find an app that will connect. So it looks like I have no internet all of a sudden on my phone, on my TV, but yeah, it's very easy to do. Just look for the Screencast app and you should be able to connect it.